Good morning, friends. I hope you all are doing good. Today is a sunny morning. After so many days, I can finally see the sun over here in the sky. Since the time I have come over here, I have just seen the cloudy weather, but still, I love the cloudy weather. I hope you all have a bright and sunny day as this morning. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. You can see a utensil in front of you and there is a brand written on it, so I'm not promoting this brand. I'm here for my personal video. Since the day I have come here, I have been just drinking only bottled water, that is mineral water, and last night I was running short of it, and that is why I decided that I should just drink tap water for some time till I get my new bottles arranged. After coming here, I never tried drinking tap water, but I was just using the tap water for household purposes. But I was told over here that even the tap water is potable, so I just wanted to test it out. Actually told by my colleagues that this water is safe, it's potable. You need a filter if you can have it at home, and then filter the water and drink it. Right now I do not have the filter at home, so I thought that I'll use a traditional method to make the water potable enough for me to drink. I was actually told by my colleagues that tap water is potable, and that is why I decided to test it out myself, and then I can decide on later whether this water is safe for me or not for drinking. Last night I collected some tap water in this vessel which you can see over here. So this is a kind of a vessel which looks like steel from outside, but from within it looks like as if it has aluminium inside. And when you're even heating this vessel on the electrical stove, then the handles do not get heated up. So it's easy for one to transfer the vessel from the electrical stove to your kitchen counter. Now I will open the lid of this vessel and show you what happened. So this is the water that I had collected. I had kept it for boiling for almost like say around 20 minutes to 25 minutes, and then I transferred the vessel from the electrical stove to the kitchen counter so the water cools down at room temperature. Today morning when I woke up, I was very curious to know what is the status of the water. Is it looking clear or not? The morning when I opened the lid, I was like astonished to see that the color of the water is not transparent. And also if you can see, there is like a white kind of a powderish thing on the inner sides of the vessel. And I didn't taste the water because when I see this non-transparent water, I felt like I just don't want to even put it in my mouth for tasting. You can clearly see that this is not transparent water, and that is why I don't want to take the risk of drinking this water even after boiling it, because it does not look transparent in nature. So I will not drink this water. This water is not safe for me, for my health. What I'm going to do right now after shooting this video is I'm going to order water from a supermarket nearby. If you remember, last time I had told you that there is only one supermarket close to my house which is called as Higher Zaman Supermarket. So I'll just call up on that number and I'll order my mineral water bottles from there. I just wanted to give information to all my viewers here that if you come to Egypt for tourism or work, then you should always buy mineral water and also carry one with you wherever you are going. Also, I want to give this information that the water here in Egypt is hard water, and that is why even after washing your utensils, you will see the stains of water on the vessels that you wash, whether it's a spoon, ladle or a pot, anything, So even if it's a crystal item, still the stains of water are visible. Here even 18 liters of jars of water are available, but I haven't checked it out what is the price of that. But the problem with that is like you have to bring it yourself. Doesn't matter, like I pay some extra money to get my bottle up to my apartment, but then that is just not enough. You also require a water pump so that can be attached to the neck of the bottle, and then whenever you want water you push the pump and then you get water in your glass. Or else one can even get a filter installed at home so that the tap water goes directly to the filter, it gets filtered over there, and then you can use the water from the filter for your cooking and drinking purpose. If you drink this kind of water, it's going to spoil your health. You're going to soon fall sick. You will not notice the changes that is happening in your body very soon, but yes, slowly and steadily it is deteriorating your health from inside, and you will realize only after. And also I have heard about it that drinking this kind of water is going to produce kidney stone. So it's better not to take risk with your health, because health is wealth. So with this proverb, I'm going to end my video for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and also share this as much as you can.
Please like and share this video as much as possible with your family, friends and the rest of the world. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon and hit the all button so that you get the notification of all my next videos. Till then, take care, stay safe and see you soon with my next video.